So we completed our one-day workshop of operational excellence. So what we've done is we've taken the company through 4 paradigm shifts. So in order to get better, we need to do something different. The question is what, right? So we all know the definition of insanity, doing the same things over and over and expecting different results. If we want different results, we got to do something different. But it starts with the mindset. So what we want to do is think about what do we need to do different to get significant breakthrough improvement. And so we're looking at systems thinking. So a lot of the training we did today was on systems thinking, how to look at a system, how to analyze a system, and what we need to have in place to improve a system. So what are the necessary conditions that need to be in place to improve the system performance? So the team's really excited. We went through 4 paradigm shifts. It's a little bit mind-blowing for them, but now we set the stage to be able to review the current reality and design our future reality.